Hi guys, welcome to a special sounds video. I'm super proud of you and all the hard work you've been doing practicing these special sounds. Continue watching these because you're going to see these special sounds in your reading books. So I've got a new one for you that we'll learn at the end, but let's say all the ones we've learned so far and then you'll learn the new one at the end. All right, ready? Begin. Thir in 3, T-H-R. R in stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. Oo in tooth, O-O. Wor in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. All in ball, A-L-L. Ock in walk, A-L-K. Ing in pointing, I-N-G. N in not, K-N. N in gnat, G-N. Ang in bang, A-N-G. Ing in king, I-N-G. Ong in long, O-N-G. Nice job. And our new one today, listen for it, is ung in strung, U-N-G. Are you seeing a pattern of the N-G? And that's what we're learning is all of those endings. Ung in strung, U-N-G. So maybe when we do it, we could do like, we're doing a thing of beads. We're stringing the beads on a string. So let's make that motion. Excellent. Now let's say it together. Ung in strung, U-N-G. Try it again. Ung in strung, U-N-G. Now you say it by yourself. Nice job. Now let's do it all together. Ung in strung, U-N-G. Excellent. Now I want you to get out a piece of paper and a pencil or marker, whatever you have nearby, and we're going to write these new words and find the special sound U-N-G in them. Okay? So here we go. Here's our first word. Here's the first one. Go ahead and write this word down and then circle the special sound you see. Nice job. Did you circle this? U-N-G. Now let's sound it out together. Ready? Lungs, 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 lungs. I use my lungs to breathe. Now you go ahead and use the word lungs in a sentence. Nice job. All right, let's do another word together. Okay. Go ahead and write this word down. And now circle the special sound. Good. Okay, I hope you circled the U-N-G. So let's sound it out together. We know it says but R says ung, Rung. Rung. I rung the bell for dinner time. Rung. Nice job. Now you go ahead and use the word rung in a sentence. Good. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to do another word together. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and write this word down. Now circle the special sound. Good. If you circled the UNG, you are correct. So let's sound it out together. We've got s, w, sw, swung, 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 swung. The little boy swung on the swing yesterday at the park. Swung. Go ahead and use swung in a sentence. Good job. All right, now we're going to do one last word. Go ahead and write this word down and circle the special sound that you see. Now be careful, there might be two. Good work. If you circled these two things, you will be correct. If you circled the you are correct. If you found that st in stop sound, you are correct too. So let's put those two sounds together. We've got st, stung, stung. The bee stung my finger when I got too close. Stung. Go ahead and use stung in a sentence for me. Nice job. Well, I'm really proud of you guys, and we will see you in the next video when we learn our new special sound. And until then, bye guys.